Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today we are here at Magic Kingdom for my first ride on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I know it's been done for a while, it's been out here for a while. This is my first ride, so I'm gonna take you along with me. I'm gonna let you know my thoughts on it, so come with me, I got you. Let's go do this. Oh, I got the heat blasting in here. So, of course, my first ride comes when it's cold outside. So, we have some panicked people about not getting wet. They do have the heat blasting in here. It really feels just very similar with just some picture changes up to this point. But here we go. Yeah. No, nobody wanted to ride in the front, so now the front is empty, so we are back heavy. Same boats. Yep, same boats. I don't know how I feel about us being so front empty. It's gonna be off balance. Could cause it to be worse. Feels like we're way off balance. We are so screwed. That boat did the same thing. Nobody wants to be in the front. I mean, it's chilly out here now, but it's going to be real cold in a little bit. Let's take a look around. Oh. There's Tiana. Oh!
Hey, y'all! Thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. Look, they're on their way.
Oh, the splashback. Got Lana with the splashback.
Hello, any musicians down here who want to jam?
An armadillo.
That's the garden I want right there.
And I'm on. Almost there. Oh, my pumpkins. Some purple holes. It's there. Almost there.
Yeah, we're just running. They're above ground.
We need a band. What you got?
Oh, shoot. It's the splashback that's the problem.
It's not the initial.
I thought
Yeah.
we were gonna be okay. You're my fight. It's so right.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here, and they are cooking.
join the band for sure.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need.
It's too ominous. I'm scared of something.
I hope they all come to the party to play. But let's explore a bit more.
Who's this?
Logan, I've been on the side plenty of times. I know what's about to happen.
Quite unusual habit.
That is
I feel like that used to be a double hill, not just one. Big bullfrog. Ribbit, ribbit. Oh, I might be thinking about this. No.
These tiny musicians you found sure do bring the heat.
Is this it? Felt way shorter for some reason. This not good. We're kind of stuck right here. I don't know what's going on. There it goes.
Choo-choo says time I get you back to back. But invite your little friends to tag along too. Hope you enjoy getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, old, beautiful self.
Well, this is always the moment you stick your head between your legs and kiss your butt goodbye. We're going to the laughing place. Oh, wait a minute. to the laughing place. Oh crap, this is a bad idea. Damn, splashback. It was the splashback. When we hit, that's the problem. Every time. Oh man. I didn't either. Facilier. Yeah. No, Dr. Facilier is a... It's a miss.
No, Prince Naveen either.
Like, they could have made it cute.
Yeah, they really could have.
Dr. Facilier, not having Dr. Facilier is a miss. It's kind of missing. Kind of lacking a little bit. A lot of empty places, yeah. This should have been building to us going to a party and then Dr. Facilier hijacking it and sending us over the falls. That's what it should have been. No, Dr. Facilier is a swing and a miss. A 100% swing and a miss. One of the best villains out there. It should have been like we're going to have fun at a party and he sidetracks it, booby traps it, and sends us over the falls. That's what it should have been. Just saying that right now, that's a miss. This part should be we made it through after dealing with Dr. Facilier. Should be her restaurant.
Everyone can see.
Come on, everybody!
Wow, that room is a lot less than like when you used to come in and you had the big boat and all the celebration, all that stuff. Very downscaled.
I don't even know why they got rid of all that.
Dr. Facilier in it. That's my main problem.
Tiana sure knows how to make a party special. Feel it up. It's special people like you. Be careful with nothing you shoot that poet, you. What a band!
Say that again, Lana. What was your
I
thoughts?
said this got downgraded so bad.
Oh, and just so y'all know,
It really did.
and just so you know, Tiana and the Princess and the Frog is one of her absolute favorites, and that's coming from her. So, out of the mouths of babes. let me fix the storyline for you. We start out with Tiana wanting to have a restaurant, and then she gets it, and we are invited to a party to celebrate it, and Dr. Facilier hijacks it and sends us over the edge, but in the end it all comes out good, and we're all through her restaurant and a party at the end. Fixed it for you. But yeah, and it felt shorter for some reason. There was a lot of dead space with screens. I mean, the ride itself is still fun, but it's not the same. All right, so my final thoughts is I prefer Splash Mountain. Our whole group prefers Splash Mountain. Just think it was better themed, and I think they missed on the story in here. Not having Dr. Facilier, just, my kids were very disappointed. I mean, kind of knew it. I do this, so I knew going in, but it's difference between knowing and experiencing it yourself, and it's just like something's missing. It's just something's missing. But the ride itself is the same, pretty much. So, it is what it is. It's pretty, and that's what I got for you. But I hope you've enjoyed the ride along. If you have, please like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventure saying have a great AVA day, and I'll see you real soon, because we're almost there.